Grandma, use your words then. Use your words. I'm gonna call Grandma. Okay, let's go call Grandma. Okay. We're gonna call her right now. Yeah, I know you have things to tell her. I know. Mom, Solomon wants to talk. Mom, Solomon wants to talk to you. Hold on. Okay, talk to Grandma. Tell her. Yeah, tell her, baby. Tell her. Yeah, it's Grandma on the phone. I know you want to tell her things. Tell her you love her. Yeah, I love you, Grandma. Sit down. Go on. Yeah, I know you have lots of things to tell your grandma. Say, I love you, Grandma. Say, I love you. Don't work, no bark. Use your words. Use your words. Words. No working. Use your words. Good job. Good job. Good job. Positive man.
Good boy.